In today's fast paced healthcare industry, managing appointments, patient records, billing, and telehealth services efficiently is essential for healthcare providers, clinics, and wellness practitioners. Jane Software is a comprehensive practice management solution designed to simplify scheduling, patient communication, invoicing, and clinical documentation. Whether you're a chiropractor, physiotherapist, mental health professional, or any other healthcare provider, Jane Software provides a user friendly, all in one platform that helps you streamline daily administrative tasks while improving patient experience and engagement. In this video, we will explore Jane Software's key features, benefits, and why it's an excellent choice for managing your healthcare practice effectively. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the easy online appointment scheduling. Jane Software offers a fully integrated online booking system, allowing patients to schedule, reschedule, and cancel appointments at their convenience. Providers can customize their availability, set booking rules, and manage wait lists effortlessly. This reduces no-shows and administrative workload, while enhancing patient satisfaction with a seamless booking experience. Another key feature is the secure and customizable electronic health records. Jane's EHR system allows practitioners to create, store, and access patient notes, treatment plans, and medical history with ease. The platform supports customizable charting templates, SOAP notes, and secure file uploads for comprehensive record keeping. This ensures HIPAA and PIPE-DA compliance, improves documentation efficiency, and provides secure access to patient records from any device. Another key feature is the integrated telehealth and virtual care. With Jane's built-in telehealth functionality, providers can conduct secure video consultations directly within the platform. Patients receive automated reminders and secure links to join virtual appointments from their devices. This expands accessibility, allows practitioners to offer remote consultations, and enhances patient care beyond the clinic. Another key feature is the automated billing and insurance claims. Jane Software supports direct insurance billing, invoicing, and payment processing. Practitioners can generate and send invoices, process online payments, and submit insurance claims directly through the system. This reduces administrative time, improves cash flow, and simplifies insurance reimbursement processes for both providers and patients. Another key feature is the client communication and automated reminders. Jane includes built-in email and SMS reminders, helping to reduce appointment no-shows and improve patient engagement. Providers can also send follow-up messages and share treatment plans or exercise instructions directly through the system. This enhances patient-provider communication, improves adherence to treatment plans, and keeps client engaged with their healthcare journey. Another key feature is the comprehensive reporting and business insights. Jane Software provides real-time reports on revenue, appointment trends, practitioner performance, and patient retention. Custom dashboards allow clinic owners to analyze key business metrics and optimize operations. This helps practitioners and clinic owners make data driven decisions to increase efficiency, track financial health, and improve patient retention strategies. Another key feature is the multi practitioner and multi location support. Jane is scalable for solo practitioners, small clinics, and multi location practices. It enables seamless collaboration among multiple providers with role based permissions and centralized patient data management. This supports growing practices, ensures efficient coordination between team members, and allows for easy expansion to additional locations. So, why is Jane Software a great choice? Jane Software stands out as an intuitive, all in one practice management solution designed to help healthcare providers and clinics run their businesses smoothly. Unlike traditional EHR systems, Jane offers a modern, easy to use interface with seamless integrations for scheduling, documentation, billing, and telehealth services. One of Jane's biggest strengths is its user friendly experience, making it accessible even for those without technical expertise. Additionally, Jane's software is known for its strong customer support and ongoing updates, ensuring that practices always have access to the latest features and compliance standards. So, whether you run a small private practice or a multi location clinic, Jane Software provides the tools and flexibility you need to grow your business and deliver exceptional patient care. So basically, Jane Software is an efficient, easy to use, and highly customizable practice management solution for healthcare providers of all specialties, from online scheduling and EHR management to telehealth and billing automation. Jane simplifies daily tasks while improving patient engagement and clinic productivity. So, if you're looking for a modern, scalable solution to manage your healthcare practice effortlessly, Jane Software is an excellent choice. So, start using Jane today and transform the way you manage appointments, patient records, and financials. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.